Hey guys! Today I'm gonna be doing a video. Sorry, my parents are just talking in the background. So I'm gonna do a video of if people tell the truth, which sadly many people don't. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say a really big overtrade for something, and then I'm gonna say, oh, I don't know because I'm new, and then I see if they're gonna say see if they say it's not fair, it's an overtrade, or if they're going to say yes, trade me it, even though it's going to be a complete overtrade because I know. I'm going to say to this person, 2 black long. Not many people tell the truth because I've done this before. Right, tail. I don't know because I'm not new, just saying. You probably know that. Then I don't want to go to my den. This is the day that Animal Jam just changed my username. Look. No way. Oops, I clicked on the wrong thing. Look. Jam8FM47. I have absolutely no idea why they did that. I just made another video about it. It's over. Oh, they're so nice. It's such a fair trade. Oh. Okay, okay. Thank you for being like the only one that tells the truth because I've done this before without recording. So black long isn't a fair one, but just a lot as long as okay. I know that. I don't know why I'm saying this. Okay, next person. Who's this? What? Oh, she read my mind. Okay, let's find someone. Okay, let's see this person. Oh, this person is trying to scam people. Okay, let me just check. The only reason I got this idea is because from another person who did this, another person who did this. They were testing me, and they said, "Is a black long fair for a purple long?" or something like that. Is a black long fair for a red long, or something like that. I have no idea what founders are worth. They went down so much. I think they're worth a bad long. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is a video. I'm not supposed to do this. Okay, let's keep testing people. Let's see. It's amazing what people offer for better tiaras. So people offering light pink headdresses. So cool. Fair. Or oh wait, okay, a black short. People answer. This video is getting boring. This is so bad. I want this. Oh, okay. Too bad. Except I need 2. Probably gonna be for that. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I don't know, maybe. I don't know what to say. Can you check? Because I might trade a black long. Right. Let's see. I did not ready. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, this person. Oh, I just saw him. Oh, such a scam. So yeah, who are you? Yeah, and the other person with black short. Oh. Yeah, I know. I'm just not even gonna answer. Because, I mean, oh. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Who looks like a scammer, do you think? You think this person? No. Don't think it. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. It's easy. Okay, let's see. This person doesn't look like her. If you're an animal lover, how can you scam someone? Who's so mean? What was your other username? Oh, come on, people are just forgetting my username. Sorry about this. Let me just pause the video, I'll come back in a second. Yeah, okay, this person just, you can do it now. I'm just gonna say, excuse me. I know. It's I know. Wait, relax. Whichever that is. OMG, hi! 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 Okay. Looking to the moon. I like that person. I like looking to the moon, because looking to the moon is awesome. What we're gonna see is... Okay, this is gonna be weird. I don't have a light pink headdress, but I really want one. But yeah, I know I'm just not gonna get one, so I don't really care. Headdress. New. Oh. My. And oh, come on. My buddy. Oh, come on, it's such a lag. Gave me. Like. Okay, you can't say that. Just. Let's see what they say. Oh yeah, I just had. It's over. You better take it fast. Okay, sorry. It's not that, okay? I'm only joking. Just been petting people. Let's see. Towel. I like people who tell the truth. I'm okay. Oh, I'm okay, you. Okay. I'm okay. I wanna do my llama. My llama. My llama. My llama. I did that video, the llama attack. The attack of the llamas. And the person liked it. Because it was awesome. As always. Just my videos are amazing. Just, yeah. Amazing. Just doing it. Who has white butter tail? I don't. I used to. I traded it. I don't see the point of people. Ooh, Hellpacks. I don't see the point of people making videos of their inventory. Oh, you nice cunt. Oh. Oh. I feel guilty. I don't know why. I'm testing that person telling the truth. Oh, I feel bad. I'm testing that person and they do tell the truth. Oh, I feel bad. Oh, who cares? Oh. I need to feed my cat. The cat with 3 legs. Because sadly he got run over. He got run over by a car. Sad. What was I talking about? Oh, I don't see the point of people making videos of their inventory. It's just like they're showing off all the time. There's this person who just made a video of 82 spikes, and they probably just glitched them over, and they were going through the whole inventory and blah blah blah, saying, "Oh, I'm so amazing." And yeah. peace and love. I like their username. Peace and love. I still love my username. Love horse 1212. Amazing. Okay. Let's just do one more. Because I'm just getting so bored now. Oh, I knew this person. This person was really mean to me. It's just the mean person. This is really mean to me. Mean. So mean. A black long. I don't know. I'm new. I see this person like, this is the person who's so mean to me. Jacking. I like jacking people. I don't know what that list is for. Probably not black. Let's just say it's worth it. No, not red long. Oh, just this glitch. Look, I can't go up. I'm at the top and it says I'm at the bottom. Head to the Freedom Party. Amazing. Oops. No, glitch, no, get off me. Okay. I don't know what the list is worth. Oh, come on, this is taking forever. Melvin. I like that username. Melvin. Melvin. Whoa. Melvin. 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 Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave that as the end of the video. I wanna see if my account still exists. No! Jam. Happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama. Drama llama, super llama, big fat llama. Llama. Stop llama. Stop doing this llama. Okay. Finish it off. I'm going to dance. Da-dun, 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 da-dun. Wretched the Wolf. I don't understand how people get their usernames as just Arctic Wolf. Ooh, person has a red party hat. I like red party hats. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I did, kind of. So many people. I don't really care about that. I'm just gonna say that 4 black longs are fair for a red long because I'm so mean. I'm just gonna trick them. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Basically, that's it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Anyway, yeah, I keep saying that. Subscribe if you want to. Subscribe for the llama, because the llamas are awesome. Train me if I write. I don't know, I'm tired. Anyway, bye guys.